Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your fan to my hood fan to a wig stand. First of all, you're losing the nuts at the back. I've already loosened my shot, so I'm just going to remove the head. I remove the head of the fan, and then it depends on the fan you're using, so just loosen the head and I'll fix in the wig stand and the mannequin, as you can see. So see, you can also adjust it at the back. Normal your fan, you can also bring it up and down just like that. So I hope this tutorial helps in case you need an idea on how to make your own wig stand. I think it's gonna help. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Bye.